Gondor automatic donut machine. Various models. Face multiple donut sizes. Auto flipping structure. Adjustable conveying speed. Precise temperature control. Keep the oil temperature stable. Ensure even and stable frying. Pour in batter. Set parameters and start the machine. High yield continuous production. Discharge after frying. Customizable donut size shape. Multi-style donuts one machine. Donuts have a stable taste. Effect display. Real photo display. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability.